Hey everybody, I'm Matt. This is my wife Diane. Welcome back to the Europats. Today we're going to be in the region of Nouvelle-Aquitaine, which has 12 departments within that region. One of the departments we're going to be going into today is Haute-Vienne.
Haute-Vienne is located in central France, and it's known for its lush forest, its historical towns, and even the porcelain industry. This area offers a rich blend of culture and tranquility. And whether you are looking for a bustling small city like Limoges or a peaceful countryside retreat, Haute-Vienne has something for everyone.
Some of the medieval towns in Haute-Vienne include Saint Léonard de Noblat, known for its medieval architecture and as a stop on the pilgrimage route to Santiago de Compostela.
Then you have Les Dorais, which features stunning ramparts and the Collegiate Church of Saint Pierre.
And then there's Chalice, who's famous for its historic castle where Richard the Lionheart met his end.
Then you have, I'm going to butcher it, a Motier. That is a charming riverside town with cobbled streets and Romanesque churches.
PronounceNames.com. Rochechouart.
Rochechouart. Rochechouart.
Do we have the correct pronunciation of your name?
I don't know. Rochechouart. Okay.
Some of the popular rural towns there in Haute-Vienne are Oradour-sur-Vayre, which is a picturesque town surrounded by beautiful countryside.
Yeah, and then you've got Rochechouart, and that is known for its ancient meteorite crater and a grand chateau.
Saint Junien offers a mix of rural charm and artisanal leather craftsmanship.
Then you have Nexon, which is famous for its equestrian heritage and horse parks. Healthcare in Haute-Vienne is top-notch. France's healthcare system is often ranked among the best in the world, and retirees can access it once they are residents. Limoges. Sorry, I've already said it once and I've butchered it the second time. Limoges is home to several high-quality hospitals, and rural areas are well served by local clinics and general practitioners.
Now let's talk about the crime statistics. The region boasts a very low crime rate compared to global standards. Haute-Vienne is a safe place to live with a tight-knit community where the neighbors, they pretty much look out for one another.
Public transportation is reliable, especially in and around Limoges. You'll find bus and train services connecting you to other parts of France. And for international travel, the Limoges Bellegarde Airport offers flights to the UK and other European destinations. And the airport is conveniently located just 20 minutes from the Limoges city center.
Now the nearest train station is Limoges Benedictine. It's the closest major train station, which is a very stunning Art Deco landmark that connects Haute-Vienne to major cities like Paris, Bordeaux, and Toulouse through France's efficient rail networks.
One of Haute-Vienne's biggest draws is the affordability. So let's talk about the cost of living. The average monthly cost for a retired couple is around 1,700 to 2,100 euros, which comes out to $1,800 to $2,300, depending on the lifestyle.
And utilities expect to pay approximately 110 to 135 euros, which comes out to about 120 to $150. And that's on monthly for electricity, water, heating, in one of those modest homes.
And groceries, a weekly grocery bill for two, it's about 55 to 80 euros or 60 to 90 US dollars.
And that is a whole lot less than what we pay right now.
Amen.
And it's just two of us. Now on housing costs, renting a 2-bedroom home or apartment can range from 460 to 750 euros per month, which comes out to approximately $500 to $800 a month.
Yeah, and if you want to buy, you can get a countryside home for as little as $90,000 to $110,000, 85 to 105,000 euros. Renovated properties in Limoges can start around 150,000 euros, which is about $160,000.
And I will take that.
Yes.
Moving out to the rural part.
Their houses, y'all, they're nice and very affordable.
I was doing a lot of looking at the houses down there in Haute-Vienne, and they're very nice, they're very affordable. You can get houses that you can put your own stamp on it and fix it up a little bit, or you can get these houses that are completely done, nothing to do, and it doesn't cost a whole lot.
We were looking at houses last night on YouTube, and we saw a house actually in a center, like right in a square, that was 145,000 euros. It was 4-bedroom, 4-bath, and it was completely renovated.
Not a thing to do to this house.
No, it was beautiful. So there are deals to be had in this region.
You just got to find the right agent.
Yeah.
Now Haute-Vienne, it has more of a oceanic climate, which gives you mild summers and cool winters. So here's more or less what you can expect to get year round.
Summers, the average high is about 77 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 25 degrees Celsius. And that is perfect weather for outdoor activities.
And I will not complain.
No, I'm sure it can get hotter than that. So these are just averages. Winter, average lows about 34 degrees Fahrenheit or 1 degree Celsius, with occasional light snow. Spring and fall, you can have comfortable temperatures from 55 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 10 to 18 degrees Celsius. And their springs, y'all, are stunning. Stunning. That way, because people are going to come back at you. You said it wrong.
Well, I'm sorry. I'm not perfect. I'm a person.
I'm going to butcher it.
Oh, that's the truth. I do that.
We did forewarn y'all.
Oh yeah, we forewarned everybody. Now let's talk about the festivals. Every August, the Saint Leonard de Nobla Festival, it celebrates local traditions like music, parades, and artisan markets. Limoges' annual porcelain festival highlights the region's craftsmanship, drawing visitors from around the globe.
Clafoutis.
Clafoutis. Okay.
Clafoutis.
Clafoutis.
I'm just...
Clafoutis.
Now, food lovers, you're going to feel right at home. Haute-Vienne is famous for its Limousin beef, apple tarts, clafoutis, a custard-like dessert made with cherries, and the local markets are full of fresh produce and cheeses and wines.
Oh, yes. Some of the most popular attractions are the Ordure sur Glane, which is a preserved
WWE.
It's WWF.
Can you see me?
Oh, here we go. Okay. Okay, some of the popular attractions there are the Ordure sur Glane, which is a preserved World War II memorial village offering a powerful historical experience.
Oh my gosh, Diane.
You do that on the side. Boating on the water, hiking in the hills, and picnicking, eating food.
Oh my gosh. Then you have the Lac de Vassivière, which is one of France's largest man-made lakes, and that is perfect for boating and hiking and picnicking.
And the Limoges Cathedral, it's a stunning Gothic cathedral surrounded by picturesque botanical gardens.
And then you can explore the history of Limoges' world-famous porcelain industries in their porcelain museums. Limoges, it serves as the main hub for visitors, offering a variety of accommodations from boutique hotels to charming bed and breakfast. The local tourism offices in towns like Saint Junien and Imodiere, sorry if I butchered it, they provide maps and guides and tips for exploring the region.
Now let's talk about the transportation from Haute-Vienne. You can get to Paris approximately 4 hours by train or 5.5 hours by car. You can get to Bordeaux 2.5 hours by train. You can get to Toulouse 3.5 hours by car.
So what do you guys think of Haute-Vienne? To me, it is a slower pace of life, which is definitely what we're looking for. It's affordable. You have a bunch of medieval towns that are so pretty.
You've got plenty of transportation. You've got your buses. You've got your trains. You've got your cars. You've got your Lamborghinis.
The weather is great.
I'm looking forward to something like that.
Yeah, I feel like it could probably get hot because.
Oh, I mean, it gets hot out here. I mean, real hot out here, up in the hundreds. If it gets in the hundreds out there, it'll be just like here. I'm used to it.
It's probably not bipolar like we are, because we were close to 90 degrees yesterday and we're 45 today.
Yeah, and it's supposed to get down a lot colder than that.
Mother Nature's bipolar. But no, this is one of the first regions that we really started looking into, like in depth, because of the fact that it's so affordable. I think it's beautiful.
Yeah.
And I could definitely
Right around the central part and the southwest areas of France is where we've actually been looking, and it is very affordable down that way. Beautiful houses. Some of the areas, and I'm sorry if this might offend someone, some of the areas down there look like Italy, but
Yeah.
it looks a little cleaner than Italy's. I don't know how exactly to say that.
And we're not dogging on Italy.
No, and
We
not
love it.
at all. I love Italy, but you know, it's a perfect area to retire to.
Yeah.
Very affordable.
Yeah. And I've heard that the locals are very nice. You know, they're still, as a whole, you hear that the French are more reserved, which is fine. We could.
And some of the channels that we're subscribed to, they're down there in the southwest or maybe the central, and I take in quite a bit of what they have to say since they're out there living that dream. But that's an area that I could see us definitely going to and retiring.
Absolutely. It's beautiful.
So yes, that would be a spot for us to go to.
Yep. So thank you guys for joining us today, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when our next video comes up, which is going to be next Friday at 3 p.m. Central. And we will see you guys next week. I'll be in.